In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Wix for mobile. First, head to wix.com and sign in to your site. From your dashboard, open the site in Wix Studio, which is the visual editor you'll use to make mobile adjustments. When you launch the editor, it may open in a new browser tab or window. That's expected, so if you don't see it immediately, check your tabs. At the top of the editor, look for the device icon area in the toolbar. This is where you can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Start by clicking through the options so you know where everything lives, then choose mobile. The canvas now shrinks to a phone-sized frame, and you're editing the mobile layout only. A key thing to understand here, changes you make in mobile view are isolated to mobile, while desktop changes won't automatically overwrite your mobile layout. That separation lets you tailor the experience for smaller screens without breaking your desktop design. Because phone screens are narrow, layout is everything. Think in single columns with content stacked in a clear reading order. Drag elements so they align to the center, add breathing room with padding and margins, and keep sections focused, one idea per screenful. Ensure the header is compact, the logo isn't oversized, and the menu is easy to reach. Prioritize the essentials at the top, your main headline, a short supporting line, and a primary call to action. If something is decorative or secondary, consider simplifying or hiding it on mobile to reduce clutter and speed up loading. Next, adjust your typography specifically for mobile. Headlines should be large enough to scan quickly without wrapping awkwardly. Body text should be comfortably readable without zooming. As a guideline, increase line height slightly for paragraphs to avoid cramped text and keep line length short for better readability. Check text alignment. Centered can work for short headlines, but left-aligned body copy is usually easier on the eyes. Also verify color contrast so text stays legible in bright light. As you work, scroll through several pages in the mobile view to confirm consistent spacing, button sizes that are finger-friendly, and images that scale properly without pushing key content too far down. If an element overlaps or leaves a strange gap, nudge it, or resize it until the flow feels natural. Once your mobile layout and fonts look clean and purposeful, you're done with the core optimization. Keep both device views handy in the editor so you can bounce between desktop and mobile as you refine your site.